Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I'm Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today let us learn about Aranaladi Thailam, an Ayurvedic herbal oil used to relieve burning sensation associated with fever of Pitta origin. Uses of Aranaladi Thaila. On external application, it relieves excessive burning sensation and body pain associated with fever. It gives instant relief from pounding pain, redness, swelling associated with rheumatism. Aranaladi oil is indicated for external administration only. Coming to the ingredients of Aranaladi Thailam, it contains Sarjarasa, gum extract of Vetiria indica. It is a natural coolant useful to relieve swelling. Sesame oil, Aranala, that is Kanchi. Its shloka says, Aranaladake Thailam, Pada Sarja Rase Shrutam, Prabhute Kajitam Toye, Jwara Dahartinut Param. Its reference is taken from an Ayurvedic book, Sahasra Yoga. It is explained under Thaila Yoga Prakarana. Side effects of Aranaladi Thaila. Seek medical advice before usage of this medicine. If this oil is used in early stage of fever, wherein there is profuse decrease of Agni, that is digestion power, then it may worsen the condition. It is manufactured by many Ayurvedic pharma companies like AVP, Arya Vaidishala, Kotakal, etc. Its expiry date is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.